This modern factory transforms thousands of tons of fresh turmeric into premium powder every year.
Subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries from around the world.
Turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible factory tour.
Back it up, keep it coming. Watch your left side. All right, hold it right there.
Pressure levels are stable now.
All right, keep monitoring the flow rate.
Ensure the spray is hitting the far side.
Confirmed. UV levels are stable as well. Razor-sharp rotating blades cut thousands of pieces every minute, demonstrating highly satisfying industrial precision.
Moisture reading is at 8.2%.
Right within the optimal range. Let's maintain the temperature setting.
The robotic conveyor systems meticulously load the fresh turmeric into the massive drying chambers, ensuring optimal airflow and efficiency. Every hour, these massive grinders process thousands of kilograms of turmeric, utilizing powerful motors to meet global demand. Coarse turmeric granules move into ultra-fine grinding machines that transform them into smooth, golden turmeric powder. The air classification system utilizes precision airflow to separate the turmeric by particle size. These heat sealing machines ensure every pouch of turmeric is sealed with airtight precision, a crucial step in the packaging process. In this massive packaging hall, robotic precision ensures that hundreds of turmeric pouches are packed for export every hour. Make sure Lot 4B is ready for the afternoon pickup.
Got it. Scanning it now.
acidity levels are stable at 65%.
Good, the turmeric needs that consistent temperature.
We need 2 more pallets for container 7.
Copy that. Moving them up now. That stack looks good.
Confirmed. Ready for the next pallet now.
From our international hubs, we ensure that the finest turmeric powder reaches shelves across the globe, efficiently and on time. As the sun rises over the harbor, these massive vessels are loaded with premium turmeric powder, ready for worldwide export.
We need 3 more rows of the golden blend.
Got it. Are the organics next?
The golden standard for premium turmeric begins right here, sourced directly from our finest harvests.